You need to know 1 kilonewton, it means 100 kilograms. That it means the force is bigger than 1,200 kilos, it means that zone. What means that zone? Your body support maximum 1,200 kilos. Yeah? Mostly, not the carabiner or the rope they will break. Your body is not going to support this shock. These carabiners, when it's falling like 10 meters, you can use after that. Yeah? Because it's steel. Use the aluminum carabiners, what we use in climbing, rope climbing, ropes course, that use everywhere because it's not so heavy. And we have also the titanium carabiners. I don't have here, I don't use that. That is soft ones, but it's expensive. It's like this, yeah? Yeah? And this system they use this, it was used like this. And it's damaged the carabiners, and you use the rope, also the ropes, yeah? And this one? And how you know it's again it's semi-static rope or dynamic rope when this one when you take it in your hand it's much more softer like this one. It's like this one, it's like a violin. It's much more harder, and this is the dynamic, it's much more softer.
Connect the chest harness and the seat harness also. And we use for that 2 carabiners, 2 double 8 knots with 1 safety knot. The lower part, the lower knot or the lower carabiner to the seat harness, anti-gravitation wise, like the lock, the screw shows down and close it and half back, like Leffy showed you. Another carabiner we connect to this knot, around this knot. You have 2 belaying points. What is also important when we explain it to the kids, not to touch the carabiners, okay, and not to touch the rope, because they are in stress somewhere up there, it can happen that they open it or something, so it's important to stress on this also. The rope, what goes up, that's the rope of the climber. The rope, what is under, that's the rope of the belayer. And how we teach the belaying, we use a system of 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The anchor is like a shadow. He's standing behind the belayer and holding the belt of the seat harness like this and pulling down. Let's say weaker person can hold the big guys.
If you look at this system, can you see?
There, slowly. Oh! Now it's just jump.
I will be a tree now, and here we work with the ropes. Okay. Why do we do that? Yeah. So I heard 2 answers: protect the tree, protect the rope. It's both. It's both. Okay. Usually, when the clients ask us why do you use the carpet, we usually say it's for protecting the tree because we love nature, and so that's true. That's really true. But as an instructor, think in a way that it's much more important for you to protect the equipment, what will hold the life of your clients. Okay? Always protect your equipment. It's your life and your client's life depending on you.
You always put this on the tree.
You need to jump. connected here. We came to the Juma. Okay, I can tie here only with this, but also I have the second pulley ready, yeah? I put the second pulley, and I need to put you can put also a Juma there on the rope, but that can damage the rope. Basic pulley system. Okay, it's rope, yeah? You want to make stronger? You can put one more pulley here and one here, but this one is enough.
How to give proper positive feedback, and you can do it for two reasons. First, to show your positive intention to the other person, that you're not coming there to tell him that he is wrong or he's bad or judging him. And the second one, if someone really pisses you off, you're really angry of him, and you want to give them a feedback not to act next time like this because it's really hard for you to handle.
Feedback sandwich.
Yeah.
That you have or the hamburger or whatever, that you have the good. You start with encouragement, you have a constructive, which is probably some negative, but it's in a constructive way. And then you finish also with a good encouragement. So you have the wrong, the constructive in the middle, and the two. And this is the burger syndrome. Feedback,
it's
or
the best way.
It's the best way to communicate feedback.
Okay, what else? After giving in the sandwich model, giving the positive, giving the constructive, and how to close it. And? Encouraging, yeah. I would say suggest. So I want to make it clear. When you're giving a feedback, you should speak about yourself, even that you're giving the feedback to another person. You shouldn't speak about the other person in a judging way, especially it's very important that, okay, so feedback is between partners. Partnership means that we are equal. We are equally valuable. We are equal in every level. We can have separate roles and different roles, but it doesn't mean that I can put myself higher than you are. Okay? So please don't judge people and don't tell people what he have to do or should have done or things like that. You should do this in this way and that way and that way. Why? It's your opinion? Okay. Maybe form it as a request. Maybe form it in a way that at that situation, if you would have acted in this way and you specify which way, I would have feel much better. So you're talking about you. You're talking about your feeling would have been different if he would act like this and this and this. But you are not allowed to tell people like, what, why? Who are you to judge? Yeah, mental feedback on expedition.
Yes. As you know, this training is about the technical part. So we already know how to build a low rope and a high rope element. But it's another tool, as an expedition is another outdoor tool, outdoor activity, what we can use with the group. Challenge. So to challenge participants. Something else? For what would you like to use, or for what we used this expedition? That out of our comfort zone. Yes? Sleeping outside, you cannot hide nowhere. Yeah, it's risky. Yes.